Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is your Learning Lab online school, and I am your teacher, Sabeen Asad. This is your lesson 8, and your lesson is about new sound, and that sound is eh, as in egg. Now I'm going to write another sound for you so we can compare these two sounds. Previously, we have learned our sound a. That a sound was little bit longer, and that new sound is little bit shorter. A, eh. Can you feel difference? A, eh. Yes, very good. That other sound is little bit shorter. As in egg. Now let's see what is action for that sound. Pretend to crack an egg against the side of a pan with one hand. Use both hands to open the shell and saying eh, eh, eh. First of all, you will pretend that you are going to break egg with your one hand. Then you will use your both hands to spread that egg on your pan. Okay? And you will say eh, eh, eh. Now we have our vocabulary basket. We have some pictures. First of all, we have a picture of eggs. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Okay, then we have envelope. This is your envelope. Eggplant. Engine. Elmo. 11. Elephant. And last one is elk. Let's repeat them. Eggs. Envelope. Eggplant. Engine. Elmo. 11. Elephant. Elk. Thank you, kids. Very nice. Next, we have our story. I'm going to tell you a story. Listen to my story carefully, then you can rate your story, then you can tell that story to your friends later, okay? We have an Elmo. Elmo has an engine. Elmo is going to invite his friends. And who are his friends? Elephant and Echidna. Yes, elephant and Echidna are Elmo's friends. Elmo is going to invite his friends, Elephant and Echidna, on his egg painting party. Elmo has an invitation envelope in his hand. Can you see invitation envelope in Elmo's hand? Yes, he has a green envelope. I'm going to circle that envelope. Here he has. Elephant and Echidna live in egg house. Can you see egg house? Yes, here we have egg house. They live here and they love painting eggs. That elephant and Echidna love painting eggs. That's why that Elmo is going to invite them on egg painting party. Did you like that story? Please tell me and you can inbox me if you like that story, okay? Now this is your formation time. We will write our here. We will say all words and we will write our sound here. Elephant, exercise, elevator, elf, echidna, 11, envelope, then again elephant, eggs, engine, elbow, then exit. This is our E sound. Now write on your tracing dot. Start from dot 1, go round, 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 like this. This is your sound E. You can write on sand. Okay, if you want, you can write in air as well. And I have some more activities for you. You can make an envelope with the help of these printable cuttings. You can print it and you can cut it and you can make your envelope. And if you want, you can make your own envelope. This is very easy. You can decorate your envelopes and you can do egg painting as well. These are activities for you. And now this is your portfolio time. You can make handprint elephants like this, and you can have your handprint cuttings, and you can make elephant. This is your activity sheet. You can do it later, and please share it with me. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.